The story goes that the Dark and Stormy was named for the angry skies above the Bermuda Triangle. The drink was created by sailors who mixed Gosling Brothers rum with local ginger beer, their go-to cure for seasickness when the waters were rough. Gosling's has trademarked their Dark and Stormy recipe and litigiously defends it against those of us who dare to make alterations or substitutions. So let's just call this drink a Rum and Ginger, shall we? In the bottom of a highball glass, mix 2 ounces of dark rum with a 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. The vanilla isn't in the traditional Dark and Stormy recipe, but I love the way it plays with the flavors of ginger and lime. Squeeze in a little fresh lime juice and give it a stir. At this point, add ice to the glass. Ironically, my first experience with the Dark and Stormy was on a Caribbean cruise. It was late evening and we had just returned from a rum tasting on the island of Barbados. We could hear the thunder in the distance and, yes, the sky was strikingly similar to the color of this drink. Pour in the ginger beer. The action of the carbonation will mix the drink without having to stir again. But back to Barbados. Maybe it wasn't a good idea to visit the ship's bar that evening, but we all know that good decisions are generally not made after a day of imbibing. It took me quite a while to love rum again, but now its versatility and mild complexity make it one of my favorite base spirits. I hope you'll try this version of a Dark and Stormy at home.